It's hashtag TriviaTuesday at the Colorado Railroad Museum. This week, our question is, what was museum founder Bob Richardson's one-word review of Beebe and Clegg's Rio Grande Main Line of the Rockies book? Don't know the answer? Click the link below to watch our latest episode of Small Wonders, which explores the exhibits at the museum which focus on these prolific railroad authors and photographers. Have a great trivia question you'd like us to feature? Send it into the museum at info@crrm.org for consideration. Last week, we received a correct response from Robert Bruce 679, who responded on YouTube.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.